So, hi guys, here we have a prove it question where we have to prove the difference of these two squares, x square minus y square is equal to 4, provided x to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to 1682 and y to the power 4 minus 1 is equal to 1368. Now, how do we go about this? Let's do. Okay. So, please follow me. To start with, we have x to the power 4 plus 1 equals to 1682, which means x to the power 4 can be written as 1682 minus 1. Okay, through transposition we transpose it to the other side. Therefore, x to the power 4 is equal to 1681. Can we not write this as x square to the power 2 to the same? Of course we can, right? As we are heading towards evaluating this. So in my next step we'll have x square and here 1681 will be square rooted. Okay. Now, having calculated this, we arrive at that 41 multiplied by 41 is equal to 1681. Therefore, x square is equal to 41. Correct? The same thing we do to y to the power 4 minus 1, which is equal to 1368. Remember children, don't get swept by this because we have a minus here. So it's a caution to you to be a little careful. Here 1368 plus 1. Here there was a minus 1. So y to the power 4 is equal to then 1369. Once again, let's give it a new shape to this, and therefore we have 1369. Hence we have y square is equal to 1369 and square root, which is equal to 37 multiplied by 37 square rooted, which means we are getting 37 as a value for y square, and here x square 41. The last part of it. So we have to prove that x square minus y square is equal to 4. So can we write 41 minus 37? Okay, as it is a difference of these two square, which means we are getting 4.